Hi friends, in this video we will discuss scope of practice in civil matters. Now please understand the existing civil matters which are going on, I am not talking about that. I will be talking about those areas which will get created because of the lockdown which has happened. So this lockdown itself has created some new avenues, or we say there are chances that new work, different kind of a work may flow only because of this lockdown issue. Now as far as civil cases are concerned, there are two aspects to it. As I said in the criminal matter video, even though there is an existing advocate, there will be problems of commutation, there will be problem of age. Somebody may not think that why I should travel now. If I can get this work done from somebody, why should I travel? So there where our scope increases. It is divided basically into two aspects. One is the compliance aspect. For example, somebody has filed a suit prior to 15th of March 2020. The suit is in the court department. During that, objections are taken out, but same could not be removed. Certain documents are required to be given to court department, same could not be done. Now because of all this, there is a delay in getting the suit numbered. Now there is a chance that there would be advocates who will think that for removing objections, why should I take a risk? Why should I travel all the way? Or why should I do lot of efforts of entering to court when it is a clerical matter? Obviously, it is better if I can get it done through budding lawyers. So friends, there where we come into picture, that as far as those court compliances are concerned, the work may flow, maybe removing of objections, maybe tendering of documents, maybe filing of certain compliance affidavits. So this is the work which may get created. Now along with this, there will be a more work which will flow. For example, condonation of delay. Now as everybody is fully aware that the Honorable Supreme Court has passed an order in which after 15th of March, the delay has to be condoned till further orders. Now once again, there is a healthy chance that these orders which are there will help us to get more work. See, an application for condonation of delay has to be done. Now it has to be done as per the guidelines of Honorable Supreme Court. So that work is going to come. Along with that, certain extension applications will come, applications for extension of interim orders. So friends, what I want to suggest in this particular video to you is, there are chances that after the lockdown, new avenues of work will come into existence, and for that we need to have a positive attitude and an open mind, because even though the courts will start functioning, there are chances that some advocates may not want to take risk, and as I said, removing of objections or making a condonation application based on the direction of Honorable Supreme Court. In these cases, there are healthy chances that the application made before the court may be granted, and there where the chances are there that people, or as I said earlier, change in attitude. For example, supposing myself, I would think why should I go for a condonation application? I know the chances of application getting allowed are very good, because there is a direction of Supreme Court or extension application. So, because of this change in attitude, change in circumstances, this kind of new avenues will come into picture. So, friends, we have tried to tell you certain new avenues which will come post lockdown. In our next video, we will discuss ADR, that is alternate dispute resolution. Thank you.